Hey guys, it's Cooper, and today we are going to be playing Bee Swarm Simulator, a game on Roblox where you collect honey, you hatch bees, and you get pollen, and make more honey, and do that process over and over again, get more gear, and stuff like that. So you've seen this on the channel a couple times, and I don't know if you guys liked it at all, but yeah, so we're just going to be playing that today with my friend. She's actually one of the duties, and she's going to be uploading a video. The same, kind of recording as this. But, yeah, I'll talk to you later. Bye. So that will be closing up our video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you soon, but I want to ask a question. If you can like and subscribe, and if you're able to tell us in the comment section, what is your favorite part of our YouTube channel? Is it Johnny Trigger, Minecraft, Roblox, Bee Swarm Simulator, or vlogs, random stuff? Do you like the drumming videos? Because I see a lot of people viewing that. I might do a second part. I don't know. I'm sorry I've been taking so long, but yeah. And JoJo, the other duty, has been slacking.